In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trending subjects for horror stories with Google Trends. First, open your browser and head to Google Trends. On the home page, select Explore. This is where you can dig into what people are searching for in real time and over longer periods. At the top, click Add a search term, then type Ghost Stories. This centers the entire dashboard on the niche we care about. Before you look at results, set the filters so your data actually matches your audience. Choose your country to localize interest. Pick a date range that fits your planning window. Past 12 months is great for seasonal patterns, while the last 90 days highlights fresh spikes. And make sure web search is selected so you're analyzing general search behavior. You can adjust these at any time to see how the picture changes. Right away, you'll see interest over time. This line chart shows popularity from 0 to 100, normalized to the highest point in your chosen range. Look for consistent uptrends or repeating peaks around certain months that can hint at when to release your next horror story or collection. Sharp one-day spikes often align with news or viral moments, so consider whether you can responsibly tie a story theme to that momentum. Below or beside that, you'll also see a graph and a map view that break down where interest is strongest. Regions with darker shading are hotspots. If you publish to specific markets, prioritize settings and characters that resonate with those locations or tailor thumbnails and titles to regional myths. Scroll further to reach commonly searched queries. This section reveals what people naturally pair with ghost stories. Use these phrases to shape plots, subgenres, or keywords for your story descriptions. Next, check top queries. These are the most popular related searches overall, scored up to 100. Mining this list helps you anchor stories to proven interests. Think haunted schools, urban legends, or sleep paralysis themes if they appear near the top. Finally, open rising queries. These show what's gaining traction now, often labeled with percent growth or breakout when the surge is massive. Rising terms are your early alerts for upcoming audience cravings. If you spot a new entity, location, or folklore element here, outline a story immediately and schedule it while attention is building. Repeat the process by fine-tuning the country, date, and search filters whenever you need fresh ideas. With these views in Google Trends, you'll consistently turn real search demand into horror story topics that arrive right on time.